Your entrance is the best first impression you can make. Record makes it easier to make the right one. Our new and improved industry-leading portfolio of automatic sliding doors is designed to brighten your access today while readying it for advances to come. Now our sliding doors can deliver even more seamless performance and energy savings using the STA200 operators. With intelligent user guidance, the new Record operators lower the operating cost of your doors and ensure a stable and comfortable indoor environment. They are easy to install, configure, operate, and they are engineered for fast and trouble-free upgrades as new capabilities become available. With the versatile new operator platform, architects can realize their visions and score more green building points. And it helps building owners and facility managers create a better business environment and make life easier. The new operators take a brighter approach to sustainability that can make a positive impact on green building certification. Introducing a new Eco mode and incorporating a brushless motor and lighter materials, the STA200 operators are equipped to lower the energy costs and reduce the carbon footprint of your entrances. With the sliding door platform comes the next generation sensor technology, offering advanced intelligence to improve people flow management, such as approach speed detection, suppression of lingering people, and suppression of cross-traffic. It's time to bring the intelligence and sustainability of advanced sliding doors to more of your entrances. It's time to open up to brighter access with Record.